안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
제 이름은 해나입니다.
제 이름은 스티븐입니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
다음에 또 봐요.
네, 다음에 또 봐요.
안녕하세요. I'm an announcer 명신호 for 한국남매.
남매. 안녕하세요. I'm Steven.
Okay, so what is 한국남매 first?
Right,
Yeah.
right. Translated means Korean siblings.
Right.
That's right.
So are we siblings?
I don't know. Do you think so? We're family. We're family.
We're family, yeah. Anyway,
Okay.
we just met for the first time and we say 안녕하세요 for the first time, right?
Right, right. And 안녕하세요 is like the most commonly heard greeting you'll hear here in Korea.
Right. Like in Japan, they have like daytime greetings and morning greetings and evening greetings. It's kind of confused. But
Yeah.
in Korea, you can say 안녕하세요 in any time,
Anytime, so you wake up first thing in the morning, in the evening,
whenever.
doesn't matter.
안녕하세요.
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 Or you can say 안녕 rather than 안녕하세요 between a close friend.
How about you and I?
We are a sibling.
안녕.
안녕.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. My Korean name is two syllables. 명신. It's kind of hard to pronunciation, right? 명신
Yeah,
is like
yeah. It's a little tough. Is there anything easier? Do you have an English name?
I have English name. My name is Hannah.
Hannah.
Much better, right?
Yeah, that's easier.
Right.
Let's stick with Hannah.
Okay, so you guys can call me Hannah and you guys can call him
Steven.
yes.
Yeah.
So we are 한국남매.
남매.
Okay, so let's go to today's expression. Shall we learn together? 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
제 이름은 해나입니다.
제 이름은 스티븐입니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
다음에 또 만나요.
다음에 또 봐요.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
제 이름은 해나입니다.
제 이름은 스티븐입니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
다음에 또 만나요.
다음에 또 봐요.
Hello. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Good. 제 이름은 해나입니다. My name is Hannah.
제 이름은 스티븐입니다.
만나서 반갑습니다. Glad to meet you.
만나서 반갑습니다.
다음에 또 만나요. See you again.
다음에 또 만나요.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I just thought of something. I have a question.
Yeah.
I've been living here for quite a while.
Right.
And when I go out with friends, often, we'll go out for a coffee, go for a meal or whatever, hang out. And then once we're all done, I'm getting ready to go. We're saying goodbye. See you later. Bye. And then all of a sudden, they hit me with, call me. Let's eat together. Let's have a meal. What's that all about?
Well, that's kind of polite expression for Korea. I think that's like a pathic expression. Like when Koreans say, let's have a meal sometime, or like call me, that means like meaningless expression.
So-
usually.
Okay, so I don't have to expect a call that we're gonna go for a meal or something. No.
Well, some could be, but
could be.
but usually no.
So it's just being
Try
nice.
to be nice.
Right.
Try to be polite.
Okay.
Let's listen again to today's conversation again. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
제 이름은 해나입니다.
제 이름은 스티븐입니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
다음에 또 만나요.
다음에 또 봐요.
Okay, so will you keep going with us?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm not going anywhere. Will you?
Okay, please subscribe to our channel.
And hit the button that looks a lot like this thing.
Yay! Okay, for those all who love Korea, see you next time in 한국남매.
한국남매.
Bye-bye.